Uppercut, punches got 'em bustin' up. Potion in this double cup, liquor got 'em buttered up. Yeah, not my competition. Every track is like I got bubble guts. Fast life, buckle up. Yeah.
Oh, it's not heavy. It's pretty light. But after 1 hour, it's feel heavy, I guess. So, I cannot like handle it.
มุมท็อปอย่างเงี้ยเราก็อาจจะมุมท็อปมันจะมีหลายฟังก์ชันนะแล้วแต่งานเขา
We went already. Perfecto. What is that? Pasta. Pasta.
ข้าวซอยหรือข้าวซอย
Calzone. Okay guys, something that I want to talk to you about is just like begin to film your journey, begin to film what you do in your life, especially if you are an entrepreneur, because nowadays a lot of people talk about AI, and of course AI is gonna change the world, AI can create video for you, blah blah blah. But I think when there is a trend, when everyone talk about something, there is also the opposite that is going to be a trend. And the opposite of AI is real content. Something you can do is just show your life, create real video, and people are going to trust you more and more because they need to see the real person behind the business. And just show you, even if it's not interesting, like right now it's not very interesting, I'm just eating in a restaurant, but I film that because people can see I'm real and I'm not AI. And this is going to be the big difference in the next coming months. Just show your life, show what you are doing, and the trust is going to be a marketing element more and more important, in my opinion.
Em lo à?
เอจี้บุด
Too much.
Tu.
ไปติ้ง
Who wants mine? I give for you. Okay.
โลจ้าโลโคมาโกโลลายมันจะเป็นลายอย่างนี้ธรรมะธรรมลายสวยมากธรรมะตลอด
Yeah. Look. I pity the nigga that steps to me.